Bonjour, welcome to French Madness with Rav. I'm Rav, a certified French tutor based in Ontario, Canada. And if you're an immigrant preparing for your TEF or TCF Canada exam, you've landed exactly in the right place. On this channel, I teach slow, clear French, the kind that actually helps you pass the exam, understand the exam, pass the oral section, and build real confidence in the language. Every Tuesday, I will share a new slow French story about Sophie, a young immigrant who just landed in Canada. She goes through everything that you go through: the airport, the bank, the job interview, and obviously the first Canadian winter. Her French is your French. Every Thursday, I will give you a bonus video, key vocabulary TEF tips, and practical phrases you can use in your everyday life. I have been teaching French from 9 years. I am C1 certified and I know exactly what the TEF and TCF examiners are looking for, and I'm going to help you get there. Subscribe now, turn on the notifications. Episode 1 is already waiting for you. Sophie just landed at the Toronto airport. Let's go. À bientôt.